Welcome to WebStylePress. Sort, convert, remove, filter, format, and much more right from VS Code. This is all in one text manipulation extension for VS Code. Manipulate text or code as you like. Go to extensions and search for text power tools. This is the extension. Once you enable it, you have a lot of tools at your command. To access the actions, press Ctrl Shift P, type Power Tools, and you have got a lot of commands or actions to do a lot of stuff. Or you can right click inside a Visual Studio Code and you've got Text Power Tools. And here is the menu to do a lot of things. This extension can be used to generate fake random data, including random hex characters, random names, lorem ipsum text, random UUID or GUID with dashes or without dashes. You can append suffix or prefix to all available lines. You can change text case. You can sort, convert, remove, filter, format available text or code inside Visual Studio Code. Here are filter line tools. Filter lines including a string, filter lines including a string into a new editor, and you can extract info, you can format contents. For example, to append prefix to all available lines here, go to format contents and choose append prefix to all lines. And here prefix has been added to all lines. We can change letters, change case to camel case, change case to Pascal case, snake case, dash case, constant case, and more. We can sort lines, and there are many variations. Sort line ascending, descending, case sensitive or case insensitive. Sort lines by length, by word count. We can generate fake random content like English full names, and here we can specify the number of items to insert. Let's choose 10, and here are 10 random names. We can generate random GUIDs. Let's choose this one, 10, and here is the random data. Insert facts, insert numbers. We can insert line numbers, insert series of items, insert series of long English day names. Power Tools has got converters. We can encode, decode data. We can remove content, remove white space characters, remove new lines, remove duplicate lines, remove empty lines, and there's a lot more. So try this extension. It can save a lot of time and increase productivity. If you want to sort, convert, remove, filter, or format data, you don't need to go anywhere. You can do that right from Visual Studio Code by using this Text Power Tools extension. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.